If you are thinking about removing your WhatsApp account but not sure what steps to follow, don't worry, I've got you. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to delete a WhatsApp account step by step, so you can remove it safely and permanently. This is pretty simple, guys. Just open up your WhatsApp application, then tap on these three dots here in the top right corner. Go to Settings, press on Account. Here's the last option as Delete Account. Tap on it. Now there are two options. If you want to change your number, all your WhatsApp data will remain safe. Just your account number will be changed. From here, you can swap your number. But we want to delete our account, so we will select the second option as Delete Account. In this case, all our data, including chats, groups, and everything, will be deleted permanently. To delete your account, confirm your country code and enter your phone number here. Then press on Delete Account. Select a reason why you are leaving and press Delete Account. Deleting a WhatsApp account is permanent. Your data cannot be recovered if you reactivate this account in the future. Finally, press on the Delete Account, and our WhatsApp account will be deleted. That's it for today's video. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.